Dígwyd gach duine tásúlagam go bhfuil sibh ceart go leor féach leathanach céad is a hochtag aniu. Tá minn ag an scéal siúlóid na Sléibhte. So that means walking in the mountains, okay? So I'm going to read down through it like I always do, and then I'll go back and do the meaning. So lá brab rothach a bhí ann. Bhí an grín ag tanmh go háir sa spéir. Cúig grúpa siúlóid na Sléibhte I Kilmantán. An teachtain se caite. Bhí fiche páistí sa grúpa, bhí séisir ceanara in éanacht ló. Aig ló ag meán lé, thiúil siad chosán. Bhí mála droma gach duine, a héana clog, bhí siad leislí suas an sléamh. Bhí tart orthú agus bhí siad ag cur alais. Hí siad sias faoi chrán mór leathan feadh tamil. Bhí tart orthú agus dóil siad deoch isce. An sin lean siad orthú ag siúil. Rhys siad bar an tléfa a 3 clog. Bhí picnic deas acu agus thosaigh siad ag canna. An sin dimmer siad cluiche pelle, bhí an sport acu. A 6 clog bhalig gach éine an brúscar. Chuir siad an brúscar go léir I mála brúscar, an sin thosaigh siad ag siúil bhaile. Bhí an grín ag dul faoi, ag an meallach anuas, bhí tuirse dónal agus hí siad sias feadh tamil. Thosaigh ceoigh titim agus bhí si ag cur ag éirí fuair. Nuair heas dónal suas, ní ribh bhí an grúpa imethe. Gléic sé a cháide ach níor cúla siad é. Bhí siad I gruchas tá brónar. Leis sin cúla dónal tórnach sa spéir agus thosaigh sé ag stella báistí. Bhí sé floch go crackan. An sin las tintrach an spéir. Bhí aglan down hónal. Fuair sé fahan faoi charig mór. Bhí sé ag crith leis an bhuacht. Thug sé amach an fón póca agus chuir sé gléic chiara. Cúla chiara an fón póca ag gléic. Nuair a cúla sé dónal ag caint, thug sé an fón póca don ceanara. Dúirt an ceanara le dónal fannacht faoin garig. Tar éis uair a clig dimig an cio. Go tuban cúla dónal bart ceanara ag gléachar. Bhí áthas nuair a chunig si iad. Thug siad cupán tédó, bhí sé sláán. All right, so let's go back over it there quickly. It's a nice long story, really about going for a big long mountain walk. So let's have a look. Lá brab rothach bhí it's even written on top of it. Nice fine day. Bhí an green ag tanmh go háir sa spéir. The sun was shining high in the sky. Cúig grúpa siúlóid sna Sléibhte I Kilmantán an teachtain se caite. So the group went walking in the mountains of Wicklow, an teachtain se caite, which is last week. Bhí fiche páiste sa grúpa. There was 20 children in the group. Bhí séisir ceanara in éanacht ló. There were 6 leaders ceanara in éanacht ló with them. Aig ló ag meán lé. So off they went at midday, meán lé. Thiúil siad chosán. They walked on a path. Bhí mála droma gach duine. So they had a rucksack on every person. Every person had a rucksack. Ag a chéana clog bhí siad leislí. They were halfway suas an sléamh, halfway up the mountain. Bhí tart orthú agus bhí siad ag cur alais. So tart orthú, they were thirsty and they were ag cur alais. So ag cur alais means sweating. Hí siad sias bhín chrán mór leathan feadh tamil. So they sat down under a chrán mór leathan, a big, wide, leathan is wide, tree feadh tamil for a while. Bhí tart orthú agus dóil siad deoch isce. They were thirsty, so they drank a drink of water. An sin Lanchid Orhu arrived. They continued to walk. Rishid Bar and Sléibhte at 3 o'clock. They reached the top of the mountain at 3 o'clock. Vi picnic jas acu agus hosig sheed conna. So they had a lovely picnic and they started to sing. Then on shin dimmer she clihe pella. So then they played the game of football and they really enjoyed it. Vi on sport coup. A shea clug volig gach anya on Brewsker at 6 o'clock. Everybody collected the rubbish. Curshid and Brewsker Galer Imala Brewsker. They put all the rubbish in a rubbish bin. And then they started to walk home. Next one. The green ag dul fui. The sun was going down. Ag dul fui going down. An malach anus vi tirsha argonal agus he shade chias fag tamal. So malach is way, on the way down. An malach anus. Vi tirsha ardonal, he was tired agus he shade chias fag tamal, and he sat down for a while. Hosig kyoig titam agus vi she gairi for. So a fog had started to fall and it was getting cold a gairi for. Nor a hasdonal suas when he stood up, vi on group imaha means gone. She'd gone. Gleig she'd acharda ach near kula she'd a. He called his friends, but they didn't hear him. Vi she I chruchas. He was in trouble. Chruchast, tabronum chruchas. Leshin kula donal tornach despair. With that he heard thunder in the sky, agus hustig shake stalaboshi, and it started to pour rain. Vi shake flock go kraken. He was soaked to the skin. Anshin las tintrux on spare. Then the lightning lit the sky. Vi aglan down argonal. He was very afraid. For shade fahan fui charig more. He got shelter under a big stone. Vi she cri leshen vogt. He was shaking with the cold. A cri leshen vogt. Hog she mak on phone poka agus quar sheglaker Kira. He took out his mobile phone and he rang Kira. Coola Kira on phone poka glake. Nura coola she don't like kind. Hog she on phone poka done Kianara. So she heard the phone ringing. When she heard Donald talking, she gave the phone to a leader. Dúirt in Canara le Donald fannacht faoin garrig. The leader told Donald to wait fannacht faoin garrig under the stone. Taréis ura clig after an hour, dimig an kyo. The fog lifted or it went away. Guthoben suddenly coola Donald Bert Canara Glaker. He heard Guthoben suddenly he heard two leaders calling him. He was viahaser nura chonig sheed. He was happy when he saw them. Hug she'd cup on tedo. They gave him a cup of tea and vi she'd slán. He was safe. Alright, so that's your story in its entirety. And these are the questions, okay? And I'm going to rub that out because someone has written in. I don't think I have a rubber here. Someone has written in all the answers or how to start it. But anyway, it'll survive. You'll survive for today. So, Cain size law vi aun. So, law bra broho. Look, we know that. What kind of day is it? Con yakig and group egg school. So, where did they go walking? So, con yakig, the answer is either kuig or near Niyaki. They didn't go. All right, they went or didn't go. Keved Canara visa groupa. So Keved, how many? Ka rev sheed a hena clug. Where were they at a hena club? Ka rev, the answer is either v sheed or ni rev. Right, so kar he sheed shees. Where did they sit down? So your verb is he. You can use he sheed shees. And then I'll get the next one then is for the next day. All right, so slán shiv.